Yeah, hello everybody. Today we are going to see about MINDRAY Microscope slide. You can see this is the brand name MINDRAY and this is the product name Microscope slides. This is compatible with MINDRAY auto slide maker and stainer. For example, analyzers like SC120 slide maker and stainer. This microscope slide is compatible with this analyzer. And after that, you can see the features of this microscope slides. These are ground edges which are smooth that can prevent it from breaking, and these are white coated. One edge of the microscope slide is white coated, which is used for writing the details of the slides. And these are the content, and the reference number of this microscope slide is 858600041. This is the reference number of the slide. You can see the features over here. This is a pre-cleaned, sterilized, packed microscope slide, and the dimension is 25.5 mm into 75.5 mm. This is the dimension, length into breadth of this microscopic slide. And the thickness of this microscopic slide is 1 mm to 1.2 mm. This is the thickness of the slide, and this pack consists of 50 pieces of MINDRAY microscope slides. This is a C certified IVD product, in vitro diagnostics. And over here you can see the manufacturing details of the slides. These are the content present in it. You can see the manufacturing date. This is the back side of the slide. You can see the pack, which is sterilely packed. Thank you.